Today wasn't just an exam, it was the moment their dreams were put to the test. People think cooking finals are easy, but they have no idea what really happens behind the scenes. Because this isn't just about following the recipe, it is about pressure, focus, and discipline. It is about proving to yourself that everything you have learned is finally alive in your hands. When these students first stepped into my kitchen, many of them were unsure. Some had never held a knife properly. Some doubted themselves. Some didn't believe they were good enough. But despite the fear, they showed up. Day after day, I watched them grow. Not just in skill, but in confidence, attitude, and passion. They made mistakes, they failed, they tried again. Many pushed through long hours, burn, cut, and frustration. And slowly, I watched something powerful happen. They stopped cooking like students. They started cooking like chefs. Growth doesn't always make noise. Sometimes it happened quietly. In the moment they didn't give up. In the moment they finally trusted themselves. And then they arrived. Final practicals. No more practice. No more safety net. Just them, their knowledge, and the plate in front of them. Kitchen was intense. Different dishes, different techniques, same prayer. Every second mattered, every decision counted. But as I watched them move, I felt proud because I didn't see fear anymore. I saw confidence. I saw leadership. I saw passion in motion. This is why I teach, because culinary school is not just about food. It is about discipline. It is about character. It is about believing in yourself when everything gets hard. It is about transforming pressure into purpose. And then came the final moment, plating. Silence filled the room. Every detail mattered. The colors, the balance, and confidence in every touch. They weren't just plating food, they were plating their journey, their sacrifice, their growth. And when their dishes were finally displayed, I didn't just see food. I saw story, I saw strength, I saw dreams served with pride. From unsure beginners to confident young chefs, today they proved something powerful. When you commit to the passion, when you refuse to quit, you don't just learn to cook, you transform your life. This beautiful movement is only the beginning. More powerful transformations are happening in this kitchen every day. If you want to grow with us, learn with us, and be part of this journey, hit the subscribe and follow our page. My name is Chef Nisi, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.